Hello and welcome to the RoboMail software tutorial. We're going to dive into a very important topic: how to set up your SMTP server, a critical step to ensure your email campaigns are sent successfully. Let's start. First, go to the software menu, click File, and then select Settings. In the pop-up window, please switch to the Sending tab. Here you can set up your SMTP server information. You'll need to fill in the following fields: your SMTP host and port number. If your SMTP server requires an SSL/TLS connection, you can choose it here. If your server needs a username and password for authentication, please check this box and fill in the username and password below. After the settings are configured, you can click the Test button to check the connection. A quick tip: if you are unsure about your SMTP information, you may consult your internet service provider. RoboMail also allows you to set up 2 SMTP servers and choose which one to use. You can also choose to use RoboMail's built-in SMTP server. If you select this option, please confirm with your ISP that they allow you to run your own SMTP server without blocking port 25. After making all the settings, click the Save button at the bottom to save them. Once these settings are complete, you can ensure that your email campaigns will be sent smoothly. Thank you for watching.